name's Jennifer of a Tutor's Voice Professional Tuition Service, and this is part 2 of the Headstart Trilogy of the Science Makes Sense series. So this video is to focus on equipping those of you who are studying chemistry at A-level with the helpful tips that you need to be able to make that transition from GCSE science into A-level sciences, and specifically A-level chemistry. So if any of you are taking biology as well as chemistry, you may hear me say some of the things that I said in the previous video in this video again. So just bear with me. It is very important, particularly for those who aren't taking biology A-level, to be able to hear this part as well. So helpful tip number 1 is start early. And yes, indeed, I am starting with something that I did say before because it is just so important, particularly for chemistry. It is crucial that you start early with everything, with your homework, with your that you start early with your homework, with preparation for any mock exams that you have, and with preparation for your actual exams, because it is actually the biggest of all the science syllabuses. So you really do need to give yourself sufficient time to do in-depth study of each of the topics within the chemistry A-level to ensure that you've assimilated that information so that in such a way that you're then able to coherently communicate that information in your answers for your mock exams and for your actual exams as well. And also for any reports that you need to do for any practical tests that you'll do across the year. It's very, very, very important. Please, 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 with everything, start early. Number 2, maths, maths, maths. Yes, those of you who thought that when you had finished GCSE maths, you could escape maths forever, I am very, very sorry. You are very, very wrong. Because if you're doing chemistry, it is really important that you ensure that you study those core skills of rearranging formulae, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, long multiplication, all these things. They're very, very important because you'll have to perform a number of calculations such as mole calculations across the year. So it's really important that you're able to confidently perform such maths operations and apply them to the various different types of questions that you'll get across the syllabus. Number 3, prioritize your time. It is really essential that for the chemistry A-level that you stay organized from the start, because the volume of work that you're given goes from this to this extremely quickly. Between September and December, you will receive a very large amount of new information. So it's important that when you go home every single day, you really prioritize your time and give chemistry a large chunk of your after school and weekend study time to ensure that you are then making comprehensive notes from all the new topics that you've studied, and making sure that you're then doing fact recall by answering various questions from your books or from sheets that you're given in class or from things that you find on the internet. Get as many resources as you can to be able to test yourself over and over and over and over again, because it's in ensuring that you are able to answer those questions as accurately as possible and perform calculations as accurately as possible that you prevent yourself from missing marks in your exams, and ensure that in fact that you actually maximize your marks as much as possible. So that's it for part 2 of the Headstart Trilogy. I hope that this has been helpful to you. Please like and subscribe to this channel. If you have any comments or any key questions that you'd like to ask me, or any specific video tutorials that you'd like me to create, please let me know in the description box, in the comments box at the bottom, so that then I'll be able to get through some of those for you and create those videos to be able to help you through your course. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.